The WAGO Eco 2 power supplies. Space saving. The width has been reduced compared to existing power supply units. So the 30 watt unit is only 25 millimeters width, and the 120 watt unit has only 38 millimeters width. So they save space on the DIN rail and offer more space for other components. All dimensions have been shrinked, so they are more space efficient thanks to their higher efficiency and their lower power loss. This saves space in the cabinet, but helps also to reduce the climatization in the cabinet thanks to the lower power loss.